Hello everybody. Today I'm going to get started on the Pepsi Challenger driven by Darrell Waltrip. This is from the 1983 season. Junior Johnson was the car owner. And I'm really excited about building this kit. It should be pretty challenging because of the way the white stripe works. So kind of looking forward to that. And I'm building it for a North Wilkesboro build-off. So basically what I want to do is get started on cleaning up the parts. I'll probably assemble the roll cage like I usually do, not put it on the chassis yet. The interior chassis roll bars are going to be black, underside's going to be black. Should be a pretty straightforward build. Like I said, the body is going to be the challenging part. Also wanted to show you real quick what the decal sheet looks like. In case you were wondering, there is no yellow on it other than this little small piece right here. It does have the black stripe around the bottom though, so in case you were wondering what it looked like, there you go. I'll try to get a zoomed in shot here for you. So there you are, and I'll be back with some completed parts. Be right back. Alright, as you can see, I got everything pretty much pre-assembled. Roll cage is all ready to go. Engine is together. Got the headers together. And rear suspension as well. So, this will be the end of this video. At the start of the next one, everything will be painted, and I'll go into some final assembly, and I'll probably start doing the body painting with the, three-tone colors, even though the black stripe is on the decal. So I'll probably just paint it yellow and white. So there we are, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.